Hi, thank you for watching Show Me Wilson. I was asked to talk about relationships. I am probably the worst person to ask about that, but maybe the best. I mean, not the best. There's lots of artists out there who wrote books and who've gone to college, but maybe a great source to ask because I have been through a couple relationships, actually. Been married twice, and that's probably bad, but no. What I mean by that is because when you fail in something, you try to become even better at it the next time. Not better in failing, but better at succeeding. So when I got divorced, I studied a few books. There's one book called The Five Love Languages. And that book is written by Gary Chapman. Okay, so Five Love Languages, Gary Chapman. What he really talks about is how we all have gifts. Well, not gifts, but we receive in a different way. And I might receive with touch or words or whatever, but five things he talks about, and it just hit the nail on the head for me. Out of all the books I read, his was my favorite because it really helped you understand your partner. A lot of people have a love language on gifts. They give with gifts. So it's normally the way you give that you like to receive. So if your spouse gives gifts all the time, then that person likes to have gifts given to them. Okay, now same with touch is another love language. So if they like to massage you, or they're always playing with your hair, or slapping your butt, or touching you, their touch. And touch doesn't mean sexual, but it's just touch, so they like to receive touch back. Another one is words. Maybe they give cards or give letters, maybe, and these could be your parents. Maybe you have a bad relationship with a parent or a bad relationship with a child. So words. Another one is service. Maybe they give service. Maybe they're always shoveling the sidewalks for the neighbors, or helping their best friend, or helping you around the house. But then if you're not giving back with service, then they don't feel appreciated. Another one is time. Okay, so they give their time. Now, service and time you'd think are a lot of the same, but time is also how much time they spend listening. Maybe they sit there and listen to a person talking all the time, or maybe they spend time giving you a massage, or whatever it is that they're giving time with. They're taking time out of their day to be with you. So I think service and time are really kind of similar, but they're different too. Because service is doing, and time is maybe not doing anything. It's just giving yourself to listen. So I want to add one, in case Gary Chapman watches this. Intuition. Sometimes you get that little feeling of what your spouse needs, but you don't do it. So listen to your heart. Is your heart telling you your wife or your husband needs a compliment? So another thing I want to talk about with relationships. Okay, so if your spouse is one of those, try to give to your spouse the way they give. And remember, they're doing it all the time, every day, because that's their love language. So you probably should try to do something like that every day for them, okay? Don't give your gift to them, like maybe your love language is service and their love language is gifts. Well, guess what? If you give your service to them, it goes unappreciated. They start using it against you. You're always doing this, this, and this. You're always playing with your little knickknacks. You always got your toolbox out. I mean, why don't you just sit down and watch TV and touch me, So they'll use it against you if you try to give your love language to them, okay? So if she's a gift, guess what? Start giving little gifts, okay? So that's one form of advice. Again, I highly recommend you read Gary Chapman's book because it goes in more detail. It's very well put together, and it really hit the nail on the head for me, the head of the nail for me. So thank you, Gary, for Chapman, and I hope everybody buys your book because it's beautiful and it's very detailed, and I appreciate that. So thank you for watching Show Me Wilson, and I will talk to you a little bit more about relationships on another subject. Thank you. Bye.